Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adil. In this video, we will learn that how you can make your own jumping jack game using Arduino Uno. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Things need for this project: Arduino Uno, also you need breadboard, push button. I also attach push button on the breadboard and LCD, 16 pin LCD. I connect LCD on the breadboard. Now we need some jumper wires and battery connector to connect battery with Arduino Uno. So here I show you the diagram designed by Fitzing. You can make your own diagram by downloading Fitzing. Here I show you the code for this project. So here it is. Now we are going to do the connections. So I take breadboard and attach LCD on the breadboard and also push button, and also take Arduino Uno. Now I am connecting jumper cable on VSS pin of the LCD. Connect it on the positive rail on the breadboard. Then second pin, I connect it to the VCC of LCD. Connect it on the negative rail on the breadboard. The third pin, connect VEE of LCD. To the pin number 12 of Arduino Uno. Now connect the jumper cable on the pin number 4, the RS pin of the LCD. Connect it to the pin number 10 of Arduino Uno. Now connect the RW pin of LCD to the pin number 10 of Arduino Uno. After this, connect the E pin, which is the 6th pin on the LCD, connected to the 9 of Arduino Uno, pin number 9 of Arduino Uno. Now connect DB4 of the LCD to the pin number 6 of Arduino Uno. Then connect DB5 of LCD on pin number 5 of Arduino Uno. Now connect DB6 of LCD to the pin number 4 of Arduino Uno. After this, connect DB7 of the LCD on the pin number 3 of Arduino Uno. Now connect the 15 pin, which is LED positive pin of the LCD on the negative rail of the breadboard. Then connect the last pin, which is 16 pin of the LCD, which is the negative of LED connected to the positive of on the breadboard. Now connect pin number 2 on the push button. Connect other side of the push button to the positive rail on the breadboard. Now connect the 5 volts of the Arduino Uno on the negative rail of the breadboard. In the last, connect the ground pin of the Arduino Uno to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now our connection is complete. I connect battery with the help of battery connector with Arduino Uno and game starts. We play this game with push button. When we push button one time, Jack jumps one time. And my score is 21. I am playing it again. It is a fun game which you can make easily at your home using Arduino Uno and 16 pin LCD. Now my score is 25. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.